Hello class, this is Dr. David Pinkard, and I will be your professor this session. Kind of wanted to take a few moments to introduce the course to you and kind of share with you what I will expect of you and what you can expect from me. This will be the Pastoral Ministry class. Some of the things that I really expect of you is I want you to do the very best that you can possibly do. I don't ask for anything more than that. And while you're doing that, I will do everything that I can to help you to get through this course. Some of the things that I do want you to focus on is I want you to turn your work in on time, especially the threaded discussions. We need to stick to the outline for the discussions when they are due. If you don't turn the discussions in on time, then it makes it very difficult for us to actually do them in the way that they're supposed to be done. Now, threaded discussions are really intended to be an academic discussion among colleagues and peers. That's the way you should approach this. Threaded discussions are there to teach you how to write academically with your peers. So, some of the requirements for them are they have to be at least 250 words in length, and they have to have at least one citation from your reading material in the format that your degree requires. This will either be Turabian or APA format. Make sure that you put the footnote in the correct citation at the bottom. Once again, what I expect of you is to do your work, turn it in on time, and do the best that you possibly can. What you can expect from me is that I will do everything that I possibly can to help you get through this course and to do well. But you have to communicate with me. If I don't know what's going on, then I can't help you. So whatever you do, make sure you stay in constant communication with me. Also, when it comes to threaded discussions, if I post in your timeline, make sure you respond to my post. And don't just say you made a good point. I want you to discuss the points with me. Also, some of the things that we are going to focus on in this course, some of the learning objectives and that you will be focusing on. We're going to identify and review the components of pastoral ministry by examining the shepherd model. So we're going to look at pastoral ministry through the lens of being a shepherd. We're also going to look at some of the cultural relevance issues that we face today in a pluralistic society. What does it mean to be a pastor in today's culture that is so pluralistic? How do we remain consistent with the Bible and our Pentecostal heritage? Also, what we want to do is try to expand your knowledge of the pastoral ministry through the directed reading, the discussing of pastoral case studies, and we're also going to work with mentors. So you will be expected during this time to have a mentor that will walk with you through this process of this class. So these are the things I expect of you, and this is what you can expect of me. And I really look forward to our time together during this session.